Hello everyone, my name is Marty, and if you like Disney and Star Wars merch just as much as I do, then this is the place for you. Today I am going to be unboxing and reviewing this is heavy, the Obi-Wan Kenobi special all-in-one lightsaber pack kit. I don't know. This thing, it's so large that it doesn't even fit into the frame. But yeah, this could only be purchased actually at the Downtown Disney Star Wars Outpost. I don't think they sold it in the park. At least that's what she told me. But yeah, we're gonna be doing this today. I'm excited. I haven't opened it up yet. So without further ado, let's check this bad boy out. All right, so I went to Downtown Disney. I didn't go in the park, and I just went in there to look. You know how that goes. And I was looking, man, I have a bunch of lightsabers. I think this is probably my sixth one. And if you are curious to see the other ones that I have, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do a review on those ones as well. But this one was the only one that actually came in this long monstrosity of a pack. This is Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber, and we're gonna open it up and check it out. So let's do that. All right. So there's your outside cardboard box. Okay. Now, this is a cardboard. So when you go into Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, you can buy their lightsabers, and it comes in like a hard plastic. So you can see this one is not the hard plastic. It's just, kind of that cardboard feeling there. All right, and on the back, it tells you all the different things that are inside. So you have the lightsaber, you have a stand for it, and hopefully the batteries are included. Hopefully. All right, so let's open it up. Ta-ta-ta-ta. And there she is. That's what it looks like from the inside. So that's some parts for the stand, the actual lightsaber itself. And we got for the kilt, if you want to attach it to your belt, and there's the stand itself. All right, let's do it. All right, this is pretty long, and it does come with everything. All right, so let's take out the main event. So here is Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber. Now this top that it has right here, this is for display only. So we will take this off and put on the functional actual top in a moment. It's very nice. I like the top up here, how it looks like it kind of has those like burn marks. And it has some weight to it, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put that down for 1 second just so I can show you what else is here in the top. Okay, so again, we have the part that we can put on the belt if you actually want to connect, and it's already there. So there you go, you hear that click. So just kind of swings nicely there. If you're into the whole cosplay thing. All right, and we have the base. There's the base, just a plastic base, nothing real special. And whatever this is. All right, we have this, a singular triangle piece, which I'm going to bet goes right in here like this. There we go. Took a couple tries, but finally got it. All right, and now this piece, I'm assuming, goes something like this. I should probably look at the picture, right? I mean, that would help. Oh, there we go. Look at that. If we go to the back, there's assembly instructions. But, you know, because I'm a man, we never look at directions. But maybe I should. All right, so I'm gonna do this, and this piece goes like this. I mean, I had it right. It's just really, really secure. All right, so that is how it goes. And I would caution you, as the plastic, it does not seem very durable. So it is a very tight fit, and I feel like if you don't do it just right, it will crack. And then, well, you're just kind of out of luck because this is the only one you get. All right. And then the next thing that I see inside of here is, okay, so you take this piece out, all right, and then here is the functional piece that we will put the blade into, okay? Now you'll see a big difference here between the display version and the functional version. See how the display version, it's very, very thin here, okay, a lot more narrow. And then here, because the blade goes down into here, it's a lot thicker, right? But the top part is pretty much the same, okay? And this does come with an actual blade. And I'm sure you're going to ask me how many inches the blade is. I want to say this is like a 26, 29. It's one of the shorter blades for sure. Okay, but let's remove our display, okay, that just comes right off like this. All right, just unscrews very easily. And then we're going to take our functional and screw that right on. Very carefully. There we go. See, it's a lot more beefy looking. Personally, I like the way this looks a lot more. But if you actually want to fight, I wouldn't fight with this anyways, but it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take the cap right out. Okay, that comes right off. That's just to protect the insides. And let's attach our blade. Attaching the blade. Go right inside. Did you hear that? If you didn't hear it. There you go. All right. You ready for it? Here is our activation. Whoa. Very nice. All right. I'm sure you guys want to see it without the lights on. Let's do that. All right, so we've dimmed the lights. You ready for this? Here we go. Wow, that is bright. Seems very reactive to movement. All right. Oh. It's not that sensitive. But it does react. Now, in a real life scenario, I would not recommend doing that, as you will completely decapitate your arm. All right, so I'm pretty pleased with the way it looks in the dark. It's pretty reactive. You know, these are not fighting blades, so for the price, you know, I wouldn't want to hit it too hard. And you know, there was a moment where, you know, I did a hit and it kind of lost connection a little bit. The last thing that's in there is little instructions, and just kind of tells you what everything is. One side is in English and the other side is in Spanish. Basically how to put it in and twist it. Maybe that's what I did wrong. I put it in, but I didn't twist it. But I don't feel that it twists. Oh, it does twist. Oh, so there you go. I made a mistake. So if you put it in and you don't twist it, then it could, you know, come loose like it did. But now that I twisted it and it's secure, it's about the same. Yeah, okay. But again, in real life, don't do this, as you will decapitate your arm. So yeah, this is just for the operations of the blade itself. Yeah, I'm pretty cool with this. So now what I'd like to do is I'm going to take this off. I like how it does that. You take that off and it disengages. And I'm going to put the display version back on. And this is really good if you're just going to wear it for cosplay and not actually use it for photos with the blade on. And just kind of see how it looks in here. And this is pretty much how it sits in its base. And I think that looks pretty fantastic, to be honest with you. I think that looks very nice. Okay, and there's a couple stickers on it. You can take those off. Sits very nice, feels pretty secure. Yeah, definitely not meant to go like this, so always blade up. And that is it. So what do you think of this special edition Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber set? I think it's pretty good. I think I paid around $230 for this. DVC annual pass, no discounts applied for this one. And the only place you were able to get this was outside in the downtown Disney district at the Star Wars, which is where the Rainforest Cafe used to be. Let me know in the comments down below, do you own this? What other lightsabers do you own? And which one is your favorite? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments down below. Once again, if you are into Disney merch or Star Wars or any of that cool stuff, this is definitely the place to you. I do a lot of awesome things on this channel. If you like this video, do me a huge favor, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new here or you have not done so yet, with the bell notification icon illuminated so you never miss any future uploads. I got lots of cool merch to show you guys, so there will be a lot of merch reviews and unboxing coming up, because I just moved into this place and I have a lot of things that I've never opened up before, and I can't wait to show them with you. So until the next one, take care of yourselves and each other. Oh, and may the Force be with you. Peace. Yeah.